again, mahalo so much for joining us again. We call ourselves Whoever. If you guys are on social media, please come and follow us. Be our friend. You can find us on the web. Hawaiian Airlines, mahalo so much for having us. We're going to take you back in time and do a few hapa haole numbers for you all. That good fun era of grass skirts swinging side to side, coconut bras. Those were the days.
Key points, key points.
Key points. Cellophane skirts. Here we go.
Oh yes, I love that pretty Maui girl. She lives at Waikapu with rosy cheeks and pearly teeth and lovely nut brown hair. Oh, 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 oh yes, her waist is oh so slender. Her butuma, shilly-willy, none of all of the wine ever did aloha. Sweet Mariah beats them all. My love for you, no, your love for me, oh hell no. Don't tell my pa, she'll tell my pa. I said, giddy up, giddy my old way, giddy my holly, yummy my old way, yummy. Don't tell my pa, she'll tell my pa. On your hips, do your hula dips. Sophisticated hula, it's talk of the town. Swing your partners round, soon you'll cover ground. Hey, hey. Sophisticated hula, it's talk of the town. Hands on your hips, do your hula dips. Sophisticated hula, it's talk of the town. Swing your partners round, soon you're covered round. Sophisticated hula, it's the talk of the town. They love me hula many changes of times. They do it up to the beat of the drums. And our sophisticated hula's a chance. So do you dance by the melody and some dance to the music sweet. Soon you will repeat, hey, hey. Sophisticated hula, it's the talk of the town. Sophisticated hula is the talk of the town. Hey, good fun. How about Holly tunes?